Hello, all dear friends of Trafalgar. My name is Arild Øvre Eide, and we have a farm in Bergen in Norway. And we are going to prepare for the season to meet guests from Trafalgar. And we do hope that you stay safe at home and that we can all look forward to meet you later this summer. Well, I'm going to show you how we are going to make one of the cakes which we serve for our guests when we have Be My Guest from Trafalgar. In Norway, it's very popular to make an apple tart, and we make the small ones and we use hot feuilleté. So we have already prepared it in these small forms. And then it's very important to use a fork and to make some small holes in it. Why you do that? That is to avoid that the hot feuilleté increase a lot when you're going to bake it. We need, of course, vanilla cream. I've already prepared it here, ready for it. And we're also going to have some raisins and of course apples. And we have also some hazelnuts here. And of course on the top we have cinnamon and sugar. We add some vanilla cream. Now we add the raisins and some hazelnuts. Apples they are peeled and now to cut them. The apples in the tart. And now we're going to add some cinnamon, some sugar. So we start on 240 degrees and then we reduce it to about 225. Baking time, well, something between 6 to 8 minutes. Oh, they look nice, they look ready. You have always to have to check if they are well baked. So you turn them, take them off, and when you see here is nice color, and you can be 100% sure it's finished. Then you have some powdered sugar on it. And now it's ready to serve